Imagine having the chance to break free from that vicious cycle where you're constantly short on cash and start earning money the way millionaires do. If this seems almost impossible, well, know that you only need 6 months of focus. I am serious. You don't need perfect timing or secret tricks. You need a clear plan, steady action, and a way to measure progress. Follow what I share for 180 days, and you will not be the same person. You will think differently about money, act with more courage, and see results that match your effort. You can also rewatch the video multiple times along the way if you need to, and at the end I'll give you a very step-by-step plan that all millionaires have followed. First, break the next half year into 2 seasons of 12 weeks. Treat each season like a game with a scoreboard. At the end of each season, stop for 1 day and ask 3 questions. What did I complete? What made me stronger? And what 5 goals will I hit next? Write the answers on one sheet you can see every day. Rest for 1 or 2 days, then begin again. Track progress because memory lies. Most people forget wins and remember only bad days. You will be different. Keep 1 page for cash in, cash out, cash saved, and cash invested. Keep 1 page for leads and lessons. When numbers move, your brain believes change is real, and you keep going. Shift your focus from spending to building. Every dollar can disappear, or it can work. Open a notes app and make 2 columns. On the left, list where money ran away last month. Food delivery, random gadgets, subscriptions you do not use. On the right, write where money could work. A low-cost index fund, a class that teaches a money skill, a second-hand tool to rent out, or a tiny test for a product or a service you can sell. Change your language too. Stop saying I cannot afford it. Start asking, how can I afford it? You want a phone that costs $800. Instead of giving up, ask how the phone can pay for itself. Shoot 5 short ads for local shops or flip 2 used phones. Same life, new question. Better result. Focus on outcomes, not on busy work. Habits help, but money arrives from results. Set a daily number that moves income. If you earn $100 a day now, aim for $200 next season. If you make 10 calls a day, push to 20. If you babysit 1 child, team with another sitter and safely supervise 4. If you mow 5 lawns each weekend, go for 15 by adding a friend, a second mower, and a simple flyer. Build 1 stream of recurring income in the next 6 months. Keep it small and simple. Sell a digital template people buy again and again. Rent a camera, a parking spot, or a spare room. Offer a tiny subscription, like a weekly meal plan at $5 a month. 10 buyers is $50 a month. 50 buyers is $250. Or the best choice you can do is to join my free Telegram community with the link in the description. Here I'll explain how to start a successful business with YouTube. And trust me, it is the best business to start right now. And in the next 6 months, you can't believe the results. Learn a little every day. Spend 30 minutes on budgeting, compounding, pricing, negotiation, or taxes for workers and small businesses. Practice with small numbers until you feel calm. Test small, scale what works, and drop what does not. Take smart risks with tiny tests. Spend $100 to test a product before you spend $1,000. Offer 5 people a new service at a discount and ask her for feedback. Your goal is to learn fast and cheap. If a test fails, call it tuition and write what you learned. If it works, you have proof and a path. Build a strong reason why. Picture your best day 6 months from now. Where do you wake up? What work do you do? Who do you help? How much cash sits in your buffer account? Pick a number and post it where you can see it morning and night. This is not a dream board. This is a target that guides your choices. Choose your environment with care. Some friends chase only comfort and will not understand why you chase growth. That is fine. Spend more time with builders. Join a group where people share weekly wins. Go to a free event for local business owners. Offer to help for an hour. When you invest in learning and action, your circle upgrades. Now the step-by-step plan. Months 1 and 2. Cut waste and raise cash. Cancel dead subscriptions. Sell 3 items you do not use. Take 1 weekend job or an overtime shift and send all of it into a savings buffer. At the same time, choose one income skill: writing, editing, filming, coding, sales, design, tutoring, cleaning, translating, baking, or repairing things. Practice 1 hour a day. Make one small offer every day and join my free Telegram community with the link in the description. Months 3 and 4. Launch and listen. Post your offer where buyers hang out. If you make videos, pitch short property clips to real estate agents. If you speak 2 languages, pitch translation to online shops. If you bake, sell birthday boxes to offices. Keep price simple. Keep delivery fast. Ask every buyer for a referral. Write a short guide that answers 10 common questions in your niche and sell it or give it away to collect emails. Months 5 and 6. Scale and invest. Raise price for new clients. Package your service into levels: basic, standard, premium. Create a small digital product from your process, like a checklist or a template. Set a goal for recurring income, even if it is only $100 a month at first. Begin investing a fixed amount every week, even $25. Automate it. The habit matters more than the size at the start. Examples make it real. A student sells neat summaries to busy classmates, then bundles them into a study guide online. A driver adds an early morning airport run and gets companies to pre-book seats. A cook sells weekly meal prep boxes to neighbours who work late. Watch your daily rate. If you bring in 50 today, plan how to hit 75 in 30 days and 100 in 60. Raise rates after good reviews. Add a rush fee. Offer a bundle or a small monthly plan. Busy work feels safe, but money comes from shipped work and happy buyers. Use the 48-hour rule. Any idea that could make or save money gets one small action within 2 days. Send a message, post a sample, shoot a demo. If you wait, fear grows roots. Action keeps fear small. You will not be perfect. Done beats perfect. Small beats nothing. Daily beats random. You will have bad days and make mistakes. Good. That means you are moving. When a test fails, ask, what did I buy with that failure? Maybe you bought a lesson on pricing, or a lesson on where your buyers are not. Use it and keep going. Is 6 months enough? Yes. In 6 months you can build a cash buffer, launch a new income stream, and change how you think about money. When your thinking changes, your actions change and your bank account follows. Start simple today. Choose one skill. Cut one expense. Make one offer. Put $5 into an investment you understand. Repeat tomorrow. No one is coming to save you, but you can save yourself with small moves stacked over time. If you focus hard on these steps for 6 months, you will not be the same person. You will trust yourself more. You will have proof that action works. You will see money as a tool, not a problem. That shift is the start of lasting wealth. Start now. Do one tiny step today, even if it feels awkward or new and scary. And the first step you could make right now is to like this video. So many more people that are interested on how to improve their finances will discover this channel. Then join my free Telegram community as soon as possible, because the slots are very limited. Here I'll explain step by step how to start a successful YouTube business without putting your face on the line. I'll give you my strategies on how I make all my channels explode, and to prove to you that it really works, just look at this channel, which is the most obvious proof. If you found value in this video, smash the subscribe button and let me know if you already knew this, and I'll see you soon in the Telegram community. I'll wait for you. Just a reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only, and any results depend on your own decisions and actions.